welcome back student in the second video of second chapter nutrition in animals. Today we will study about how nutrition takes place in unicellular animal, that is amoeba, multicellular animal, that is hydra, and a full-fledged organism, that is frog. So first of all, nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism and its single cell perform all the work, all the steps of nutrition. If you remember, what are those 5 steps? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So all those process, all those steps of nutrition takes place in single cellular amoeba. So first of all, what happens when amoeba senses any kind of food particle nearby its body, then it folds its body, outer part of the body, that is plasma membrane, and that folded part is called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means foot. So amoeba folds its body, outer part of body, that is membrane, and that is called pseudopodia. And finally it just intake or ingestion takes place by folding its by joining its pseudopodia, and finally that food particles comes inside the body of amoeba. And the food, when pseudopodia folds itself, then there is food vacuole is formed, and that food vacuole is having that food particle, that means food particles comes inside the food vacuole which is formed by the pseudopodia. Then body of amoeba releases digestive juices, and then digestion takes place inside the food vacuole. After digestion, first step, second step, then ingestion and digestion. After digestion, third step is absorption. Then the nutrients from the food vacuole comes outside of the food vacuole and goes to the body of unicellular amoeba, that is called absorption. Then assimilation also, because it is single cellular, so absorption assimilation is same here. Then after that, the undigested food material comes out by rupturing the body of amoeba, that is plasma membrane of amoeba, and the undigested food material comes outside from the body, that is called egestion. So whole process of digestion takes place in the body of amoeba by its single cell only. Now next, second one is hydra. Hydra is a multicellular organism. As you can see, it is having tentacles, the hair-like projections outside of its body, structure that is found outside of the body which is known as tentacles. And these tentacles having some poison is there, some poison is found. Whenever some insect, some food particles comes nearby a hydra, then what happens, it tentacles just entangle that organism and sting it, kill it by stinging poison inside its body, and then that tentacle helps in ingestion of the food through a opening called mouth. Here is mouth found inside the body of amoeba. Sorry, it is hydra. Then hydra, inside the body of hydra, ingestion taken place, and that food particle goes inside its body, and now digestion takes place. It is same process like other organism. The digestive juices or enzymes which is found inside the body of hydra releases it through its body part. Digestive juices are released, and that digestive juices just breaks it down into simple part, smaller part. Digestion, then absorption, assimilation, egestion, all process takes place through its multicellular body part. Here one mouth is there, one opening is there for both process, ingestion as well as egestion. Both process takes place through a single mouth in hydra. So here digestion, the process of nutrition done in Hydra. After that, now the third organism, that is frog. Frog is a well developed organism. It is having all body parts, all organs, organ system, and digestion finally takes place here. Nutrition takes place here. What happened? Uh, Whenever some kind of food, insects, like some other organism or whatever the food of frog comes nearby frog, then uh, its tongue is sticky. It just try to capture that insect and then entangle it, just capture inside its tongue because it is sticky tongue, and finally engulf it inside its mouth by using its sticky tongue. And finally same process happened here also. After ingestion, what is the second? Digestion, third absorption, then assimilation, and then egestion. One difference is here uh, between hydra and frog. Frog is a well developed organism, so it is having two different body parts for ingestion and digestion. There is mouth for ingestion, and there is other part inside its body for egestion, removal of waste part. So now here nutrition in amoeba, hydra, and frog, we understood it. Or insects, how nutrition takes place in those insects, or how they are doing the process of ingestion. So for the process of ingestion in some insects like mosquito, houseflies, and butterflies. If we discuss about mosquito and butterfly, there is an organ called proboscis. By using its proboscis, butterfly sucks nectar from flower, juices from flower, and by using its proboscis, a particular structure found in mosquito sucks blood from different animals, and houseflies are having a feeding tube. By using feeding tube, houseflies sucks food nutrients from some kind of food materials. This is how nutrition takes place in different smaller animals. In my next video, we'll discuss about human nutrition, different organs of human digestive system, and how the method of nutrition takes place in human.